my first 90 day and I'm so happy I made it. Before I came here, I was hesitant. I was like, oh, I don't know if I wanna come. I'm anxious, like, I don't know, am I gonna waste my time here or not?
When you initially come to a 90-day, you were probably anxious. I felt like I didn't know what I was getting into.
I do recognize that it takes away from the day-to-day activities. There's always lots on my plate. We're a small business, so every time that I'm not working directly in the business, it's stuff that piles up on the desk.
I actually really look forward to the 90 days. There's lots of other things I could have been doing, but we make the conscious decision to come here, reevaluate what the next 90 days are gonna look like, and take a step back and look at what the last 90 days looked like.
I feel inspired, and it always does that for me. Initially, I never want to come, but then once I'm here, I always go back home with like better learnings on how to improve as a team member and what should we be doing better.
The main thing I really like is just the people that we meet here. Who am I gonna get connected with? Like this time around, I'm starting to know quite a lot of the faces just from coming back so much. You know, it's more about the community that really hits home for me.
So what I would say to someone planning to come to the 90-day session is it's a commitment. It can be scary to get away from the day-to-day tasks, but there's a lot of energy first that you gain from all the groups. So there's a lot of other companies that are exchange of ideas. You take that step back from your day-to-day activities and you reflect back on where am I, what do I need to do, and what am I gonna do, committing to do for the next 90 days.
They actually were like giving us so many creative ideas and we're like, oh my God, we never thought of that. So I'm really happy. It was really worth it. So I'm glad I came.
I would say come with an open mind. You might feel like it's not going to do anything for you, but once you're in the 90-day session, it will help you feel motivated, and it may also help you see things in your business which you wouldn't see if you were not coming in. It'll really help you be more confident about your goal setting and just taking things forward from the session.
I would definitely recommend it if you're serious about your business. It might be a little bit daunting being around all these other people thinking like, oh my gosh, they know way more than I do, when that's not the fact. Like, you learn from your mistakes. So the faster you're out there and making the mistakes, the sooner you're not going to be making the same ones. So definitely go to a 90-day session and make sure that you grow in those 90 days and figure out if business is something you actually want to pursue, because it's definitely a lifestyle. It's not just a one-day thing, not just a 90-day thing. You gotta be committed.
Do it. Just do it because it's worth it. And you know, you're never gonna know if it's worth it or not unless you come here and try it for yourself. You should go and see for yourself.